everybody, Tanisha here, coming with a quick planner lineup. So if you want details on these, definitely check the blog post. But here we have my catch-all planner. So this is going to be my home planner. I decided to go ahead and switch to a big. Very nervous and excited about that. So this will be my catch-all. I like it because it has the lines and I can just list what I need to do for the day instead of trying to decorate and fill in those blocks. I think this was a bit more functional for me. So here we have a Happy Notes. This is something that I created. I just took some note paper I already had. I got that cover made, and I just threw in some note paper and grid paper and line paper and all sorts of stuff. I take this with me to meetings, so I'll be using that for meetings. My mini planner here. This is the one that I take with me on the go. So I'll take this with me to church to jot down notes. I'll rewrite them in my faith planner, things like that. This is our family budget planner. So I really like the nameplates I made for it. I just took the 2017 planner, 2017-2018 planner that was on Amazon for like $3. Bought that. And I'm using the guts for just redating everything, and I just put that over the cover. Thought that was really cute. Already seen my teacher planner. I decided to go ahead and add in a kid planner for my kindergartner and then another kid planner for my princess. Now she's used to planning, but I liked these because they actually have journaling pages. Well, we're going to use them as journals. So I want to introduce my 5-year-old to journaling. So this just gives him enough space to write. The lines are wide, and I thought that he could use this to write, especially the today how I feel stuff. So that's what we're going to be using this for. And then of course my princess is perfecting her writing as well. So we're going to use these during school time for both of them. Next up, I have both of my prayer journals. This is the one, I believe I already have a video about this. So definitely check out the blog post for information on that. And this right here is just a homeschool prayer journal. I have an ABC prayer thing that I do, and I also joined a group that has monthly prayer prompts. So I'll just be able to write down my prayers in this journal. And then in keeping with the faith theme, I have my Bible study journal, which is the large faith planner. And then this is the Faith Warrior that I will be using as a daily scripture writing. I really wish they made some folders for this, but as far as putting names, and I know a couple of times people have asked, I just type mine up and print them out. I don't try to do anything too fancy with writing yet because I'm still learning, but I think that that looks cute and it's simple and easy to do. And then last but not least for faith-wise, I have my gratitude journal. I didn't want to go out and look for a new planner that started in 2018. So I just got one that started in 2018 that again, I got on clearance Amazon for like $3. And I just adjusted everything. So I'll be using the remainder of 2019 for this one. And then the old horizontal pages, I'll just redate and create a new gratitude journal. Next up is my recipe planner. I wanted to put this one in a deluxe cover because it sits in the kitchen and I didn't want it to get greasy or nasty. So I'm excited to finally transfer my recipes this year and make it look all cute, and also make it something that I can gift. I've decided that when my son and my daughters, you know, when everybody gets married, I want to gift these to the wives of the family with recipes from their family and also from their new family, and let them be able to build their own recipe books. I thought that would be a good idea. All right, for my blog and business planner, I'll be using the Supermom. I got this cover from Stylish Planners. It is super, super cute. I always get compliments on it. So I'll just be using this to organize, schedule my blogs. But I did want to show you guys this cute dashboard I made. This was a set, part of a set that came with the cover, and she gifted us these for free. So I just took some adhesive and put some sticky notes on the back of it. And last, but definitely not least, I love something the most important one, Healthy Hero. I got this cover from Stylish Planners as well. I am super excited about this planner. I started this journey a while back. If you follow me on Instagram, I have been on my 100-day journey, and I have been doing very, very well. So I'm excited to keep going with this. But that's it, you guys. I truly hope that you enjoyed this quick look at my planners for the year 2019. If you want a detailed look or flip through of anyone, then comment down below. You can also always find me on Instagram at MarriedToKDK for planner stuff, Team Kip Academy for homeschool stuff. All right, talk to you later. Bye.